To connect 2Checkout to your Shopify store, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel and navigating to the Settings section. From there, click on Payments to view your available payment gateways. Click on Add Payment Method and search for 2Checkout. Then click on the 2Checkout payment gateway to begin the integration process. You will be prompted to enter your 2Checkout account credentials, including your seller ID and publishing key. These can be found in your 2Checkout account dashboard under the Account section. Enter your credentials and click on Activate to enable the 2Checkout payment gateway in your Shopify store. Next, configure your 2Checkout payment settings to determine which payment methods to offer your customers. You can choose to offer credit card payments, PayPal, or other payment options. You can also set up recurring payments and subscriptions if you offer subscription-based products or services. To test the integration, navigate to your Shopify store's checkout page and select 2Checkout as the payment method. Enter your test payment information and complete the transaction to ensure that the integration is working correctly. If you encounter any issues during the testing process, refer to the 2Checkout support documentation or contact Shopify support for assistance. Best practices for connecting 2Checkout to your Shopify store include ensuring that your 2Checkout account is fully set up and verified before integrating it with your Shopify store. You should also test the integration thoroughly to ensure that it is working correctly and that your customers can complete transactions smoothly. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully connect 2Checkout to your Shopify store and start accepting payments from your customers.